These tiny blueberries are full with antioxidants. But have you ever thought about whether they are actually as safe as everyone says? Blueberries are great for your heart, bones, and memory, which are all things that are important to those over 60. But what if I told you that eating them the incorrect way may really hurt you? Do you want to know? Don't worry, I'm here to help you do it perfectly. Blueberries are full of vitamins like vitamin C, which helps your immune system fight off colds and infections, and vitamin K, which is very important for keeping your bones strong. They also have a lot of fiber, which helps keep your digestion regular. This is really important as we get older. Many individuals don't know this, but flavonoids are a type of antioxidant found in blueberries. These keep your cells safe from damage produced by free radicals, which are bad molecules. What are free radicals? Yes, they are like sneaky troublemakers that make you age faster and can cause significant health concerns like heart disease and memory loss. Think about eating one thing every day that decreases blood pressure and bad cholesterol, which are two big concerns for heart disease. That's what studies say about consuming only 1 cup of blueberries every day. And there's more. Blueberries might even help your brain stay healthy and boost your memory. Doesn't it sound too good to be true? Many older people eat blueberries every day, either in oatmeal, smoothies, or as a snack. But I have a question for you. Have you ever had a weird stomach ache or pain after eating blueberries? It might be hard to understand and annoying, but what if that feeling isn't just a fluke? I know this has happened to several of my friends and family, so it's vital to know. Our metabolism slows down as we become older, digestion can grow worse, our immune system also gets more susceptible. So, some items that look fine on their own can be bad for you when you consume them together. You might be surprised by some of these foods. Can you guess what those foods are? You're not the only one who has pondered why a nutritious snack occasionally makes you feel off afterward. When you eat blueberries with some foods, they can change how your body breaks down antioxidants or how your liver processes them. This can stop the body from getting critical nutrients or make pollutants pile up. Today, I'm going to tell you about 3 items you should never eat with blueberries and why you should avoid these combinations to feel better, avoid stomach pain, and stay healthy as you get older. Don't worry, it's easy to stay safe and keep enjoying this superfruit once you know these things. So stay tuned, because every senior should be able to safely and confidently enjoy blueberries. Start with the first one. Dairy items include yogurt, cheese, and milk. How they interact with berries? Calcium is abundant in dairy and it can stick to the antioxidants in blueberries, especially flavonoids. This stops your body from adequately receiving those important nutrients. When one nutrient gets in the way of another, this is termed nutritional interference. How it affects the health of older people? As we age, our bodies don't take in nutrients as well. A lot of older people use antioxidants to keep their brains, hearts, and immune systems healthy. You might not get all the benefits of blueberries if dairy stops these antioxidants from working. Also, you're not the only one who has noticed that your digestion slows down, or that you feel bloated after eating dairy, especially when you eat it with acidic fruits like blueberries. There are many benefits to dairy products. Calcium is good for bones and helps prevent osteoporosis, which is a significant worry for older people. Contains protein and vitamins that are good for your muscles and your health in general. Things that aren't great about mixing with berries. Calcium makes antioxidants less effective by sticking to them. If you're lactose intolerant, it could make your stomach hurt or make you feel bloated. It lowers the health benefits of blueberries. Second, foods strong in iron, such as red meat, spinach, and beans. How do they handle blueberries? Blueberries are acidic and have chemicals that can stop your body from taking in as much iron. Iron from plants like spinach and beans is notably affected, although iron from meat can also be lessened. How elders' health is affected? Iron keeps your blood healthy and gives you energy. Seniors are more likely to be low in iron, which might make them feel weak and fatigued. Eating blueberries with foods high in iron might make your body consume less iron. Meals high in iron have several benefits. give you necessary iron to keep your energy up, has protein and other nutrients that are good for your health. Things that are bad about pairing with blueberries: blueberries can stop iron from being absorbed, which makes it tougher to acquire enough of it. Could make iron deficiency worse, which might make you feel weak or weary. 3. Foods high in tannins include tea, red wine, and dark chocolate. What they do with blueberries. Tea, red wine, and dark chocolate all have tannins in them. They can stick to nutrients and make it tougher for your body to absorb them. Tannins might make stomach acid stronger and produce discomfort or acid reflux when consumed with blueberries. How it affects the health of older people. A lot of older people have stomachs that are sensitive or acid reflux. Eating tannins with sour blueberries might make these difficulties worse. Also, tannins can make it harder for your body to absorb antioxidants. Foods that are high in tannins have these benefits. Tea and red wine are good for your health and have antioxidants when you drink them in moderation. Dark chocolate has minerals and can make you feel better. Things that aren't good about pairing with blueberries: can make your stomach hurt or give you acid reflux. Cut down on the health advantages of blueberries' antioxidants. Could make people with sensitive stomachs feel sick or uncomfortable. A lot of information for seniors on how to safely eat blueberries. Blueberries are great for your health, but we've learned that some foods might make them less healthy or even make you feel worse, especially if you're over 60. This is a short guide to help you safely eat blueberries and get the most out of this superfruit. Put dairy items and blueberries in separate places. Calcium is found in dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, but it can stick to the antioxidants in blueberries and stop your body from absorbing them efficiently. To avoid this, don't eat blueberries and dairy at the same time. Instead, give them at least 1 to 2 hours of space. For breakfast, have yogurt or milk-based cereal, and for a snack in the middle of the morning or afternoon, have blueberries. Why this helps? As we get older, our digestion slows down. Spacing out meals helps keep nutrients from interfering with each other and keeps us from getting bloated or upset stomachs. Don't eat blueberries with foods that have a lot of iron in them. Iron is crucial for energy and healthy blood, but blueberries might make it harder for your body to absorb iron, especially from plants like spinach and beans. To stop this from happening, eat meals that are high in iron, like steak, spinach salad, or bean stew, but don't have blueberries on the side. If you want to have blueberries, wait at least an hour after your meal, otherwise eat them at a separate time. If you take iron pills, don't eat blueberries at the same time. Why this is important. Low iron can make you fatigued and weak, especially if you're older. Eating blueberries at the correct times will help maintain your iron levels up. Be careful when you eat blueberries with foods that are high in tannins. Tea, red wine, and dark chocolate all have tannins in them. When these are mixed with acidic blueberries, they can make the stomach more acidic and produce discomfort or acid reflux. To avoid discomfort, don't drink tea or red wine right before or after eating blueberries. Blueberry, for example, have tea in the morning and blueberries in the afternoon to space them apart by at least an hour. If you had blueberries earlier in the day, save red wine for supper. Eat dark chocolate and blueberries separately. Why this is helpful: older people often have more sensitive stomachs and are more likely to suffer acid reflux. By spacing these items apart, you can get all the antioxidant benefits without getting upset. Listen to your body and make changes when you need to. As we get older, our digestion changes, and it's different for everyone. After eating blueberries with different foods, pay attention to how you feel. If you have stomach pain, bloating, heartburn, or other discomfort, try adjusting the timing or avoiding some combinations. A basic food diary will help you keep track of what you eat and how you feel. This can help you find foods that don't agree with you. Talk to your doctor if your digestive problems don't go away. Blueberries are easy and fun to eat. Blueberries are tasty on their own and easy to add to your diet without any concerns. Here are some safe and enjoyable ways to consume them. As a snack between meals, it's fresh. You can mix it with oatmeal or porridge cooked with water, or plant-based milks like almond or oat milk. You may add them to fruit salads or mix them with nuts and seeds for a healthy snack. You can mix them into smoothies with coconut water or almond milk, which are both non-dairy. You can protect your digestion, obtain all the health advantages, and feel your best by spacing out your meals, paying attention to your body, and keeping your blueberry intake modest. It's all about time and balance, not giving up the meals you like. Keep in mind that little modifications to how and when you eat can have a huge impact on your health and vitality as you get older. Thanks a lot for watching this video. You are now on the right track to feeling healthier, more energetic, and more alive every day. You know how to enjoy blueberries safely and stay away from those tricky food pairings. Please share this with your friends, family, or neighbors if you think they could use it. This is especially true for people over 60 who could use these simple but powerful ideas. Sharing this information can actually help the people you care about most be healthier and happier. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel before you leave. We have more easy-to-follow, reliable health advice specifically for seniors. Your health is very important to us, and we're here to help you get there. Keep in mind that making minor changes, like changing when and how you eat specific foods, can have a major effect on your energy, digestion, and quality of life as a whole. So keep eating the foods you love and stay healthy and happy. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next video.